Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, this story I just had to cover because it is just everything that is Nigeria. So with that guys, I bring you this. You all look unserious. Nigerians react to photos of House of Representative members meeting with Japanese government officials without pen and notepads. So that's the headline. You all look unserious. Nigerians react to photos of House of Representative members meeting with Japanese government officials without pen and notepads. So now the pictures really is the real story of this. So please take a very good look at the pictures as you listen on. Femi Gbajabiamila, the Speaker of the House of Representatives, shared these photos of other lawmakers who accompanied him to a meeting with the Prime Minister of Japan, Shinzo Abe, at the government house in Tokyo on Monday, November the 11th. Nigerians are, however, appalled that the Nigerian delegation at the meeting did not deem it fit to come for the meeting with pens and notepads, unlike their Japanese counterparts who were spotted with writing materials. They have taken to the Speaker's comment section to call out the lawmakers. Femi, however, came with his own writing materials and was pictured taking notes. So now, as I said, the picture is the real narrative, and I shall just bring you a couple of the comments. I don't really want this one to be a lengthy video. So this is a Theophilus, as in, see that one even cross-leg feeling like one king in Agbada. He will spend 4 years, one bill, he won't pass. It is time to start recalling these airheads. They are not fit to represent us, even at the gate, much less the House of Representatives. These guys are scammers. So now this is just a sentiment that captures really all of the thinking of Nigerians, really, because a lot of these people are just really there for the purposes of being there and to collect the usual loot. You all know the narrative. So this is an Oyelowo. Oyelowo is the name of this commentator. People with notepads, with seriousness and ready for business versus people that just want to pose for photos. This picture is a low point, Mr. Speaker. So now I'm not going to go through all of the comments because the comments really are all of the same vein, but the picture really is the narrative. So just look at the picture. Look at the Japanese delegation sitting up straight, back straight, head held high, looking serious and ready for business. Notepads, every single one of them. Every single one of them has a business attire on and a notepad, and fair enough, I'm accepting that a Nigerian person should represent in a Nigerian attire. That I accept. But look at the Nigerian delegation, lazy looking, dull looking. None of them, not a single one, has a writing material. One is looking to the left, one is looking to the right. They all look bored. One is cross-legged in what is meant to be a business meeting, by the way, with representatives of one of the top 15 largest economies in the world, Japan, if not the top 10 actually. I think Japan is actually a top 10 economy in the world. So this is the officials that they are meeting, the government officials of this important country is what these people are meeting, and none of them could deem it necessary to bring writing materials because of course they are not intent on taking any notes. It's just Esther codes and the dollars and whatever it is, and the shopping and the trips and to go and eat sushi. This is all they are interested in doing there, and then they come back and make a lot of noise, and that is the end of that opportunity as well. And this little picture here is just a real macrocosm of the deeper malaise that afflicts us as a country. Here in this picture right here is all of the problem of Nigeria encapsulated. Conversations in the comment section, which way Nigeria, this is certainly not the way. Come tell me what your thoughts are in the comment section. But before you do this, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you're making of how these people are representing the country in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, join in the comment section. But here I say peace.